Let's get back to the task mining results again. The COE team picked up the invoice processing task to automate as it required some advanced development and yields the highest ROI for a large group of people. But every task mining exercise produces a long list of tasks that can be automated to save time for each individual clerk. Dinah is also a clerk. She is comfortable with technology but does not have any programming experience. Employees like Dinah can use StudioX to build their own automations. We call employees who build automations for themselves and their peers citizen developers. StudioX offers seamless integration with the File Manager, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Excel, and more. With intuitive labels and error handling, any business user can use StudioX to automate daily tasks for themselves. Dinah builds invoice classification automation, which is a repetitive task of sorting invoices. By automating this, Dinah saves 30 minutes every day, which allows her to focus on more value-added activities. Now that the robots are running seamlessly for a couple of weeks, we want to measure how well they're performing and if they are saving the company money. For this, we use UiPath Insights, which provides a holistic view into robots' operations and utilization. We can use the out-of-the-box dashboard library or create custom dashboards specific to the needs of business and stakeholders. These reports can be accessed by operations and business leaders, and it helps with central governance. For invoice processing, we can look at the number of invoices processed and total dollar amount and total hours saved. The COE can easily quantify the time and money saved by automation. It meets the strategic KPIs and goals which were set at the beginning of automation journey. The return on investment (ROI) for this project has been impressive. And that's the hyper-automation life cycle of a few processes discovered, built, managed, ran, engaged with, and measured within the finance department. In reviewing the success of these automations, senior leaders from finance want to implement RPA on a larger scale. Process managers are brought in to assess their end-to-end processes and identify areas for optimization. A typical process analysis project is manual, time-consuming, and subjective. However, this team uses UiPath Process Mining, which speeds up the entire process, represents reality, and provides continuous insight into processes. Process mining brings together data from multiple IT systems, databases, or flat files. It is the perfect complement to task mining, which looks at the user activity. Process mining provides Bianca with intuitive visualizations. It gives her the data-driven insights she needs to identify inefficiencies and risks in her processes. Processes can be optimized by introducing automation or changing the behavior of systems or people. The automation opportunities are fed back to Automation Hub and the journey continues. Thanks for watching. Try the latest UiPath product release and accelerate your hyper-automation journey with UiPath.